In this video, you'll see what your child experiences when their school assigns tasks through Xeropan. This will help you understand their learning journey and how the student app keeps them engaged, organised, and on track. When a new assignment is given, children receive a push notification on their device, even if the app is closed. When they open Xeropan, they also see a clear in-app alert showing the task and its deadline. This reminder stays visible until your child begins the assignment, helping them see what needs to be completed and when. Whenever a child is part of a school group, a dedicated menu appears at the bottom of the screen called My Classes. They use Learn for self-paced practice, and they use My Classes for tasks assigned by their school. So, as soon as a new assignment arrives, this becomes one of the most important areas of the app for them. In My Classes, children can see all the school groups they belong to. Some may be part of more than one group, for example English, German, or different class levels. Your school uploads the class lists behind the scenes, so children are automatically placed into the right groups. Everything is set up for them, no extra steps needed. Inside each class, children see two simple sections: open assignments, tasks with active deadlines; closed assignments, tasks already completed or past due dates. Each assignment clearly shows the deadline, the unit, and the specific lesson type. When children open an assignment, they complete it exactly the same way they do in their normal learning path. Vocabulary mini-games, pronunciation practice, video lessons, grammar tasks, or AI speaking practice. At the end, they immediately see their result: stars, XP, and progress markers. And as soon as they finish, their school can see that the task has been completed. There are no syncing issues and no delays. So here is what your child experiences when a new task is assigned. They receive clear notifications both inside and outside the app. The My Classes menu becomes their central hub for school tasks. Assignments are neatly organised into open and closed sections. All groups and tasks are automatically connected to the correct classes, and every completed task updates instantly. This creates a smooth, reliable learning experience for children, helping them stay organised and supported while learning both at school and at home. If you'd like to explore it together, ask your child to open My Classes and show you their current assignments. It's a great way to follow their learning journey.